Hey everyone, we're going to do another shared reading of the book called The Moon by Colleen Sexton. And if you look here, it's a level K, so it might be above your reading level or below it, but that's okay. We're going to do some echo reading. I can tell this is a nonfiction book because here's my table of contents, so I like to look at that to know what topics I'm going to be learning about. So what is the moon? Phases of the moon's surface, people on the moon, and then there's a glossary, a learn more section, and of course an index. Here we go. I'm going to read a little bit and try to figure out some words, and then you're going to read along with me. Okay, so it's my turn first. The moon is the largest, and brightest object in the night sky. So see how I used the chunk AR in there? And then I flipped the G to say J. Let's read it together now. Ready? Go. The moon is the largest and brightest object in the night sky. Very good. Next page. My turn. It is closer to Earth than the sun or any planet. The moon is about 239,000 miles or 385,000 kilometers away. Let's read that together. Ready? Go. It is closer to Earth than the sun or any planet. The moon is about 239,000 miles or 385,000 kilometers away. My turn. It takes the moon 29 and a half days to, I've never seen this word before. I see a little word and a big word, or, and I see bit, orbit. What does orbit mean? Let's look at the picture clue. It looks like orbit means to go around. I'm going to start again. It takes the moon 29 and a half days to orbit Earth. The same side of the moon always faces Earth. Let's read that together. Ready? Go. It takes the moon 29 and a half days to orbit Earth. The same side of the moon always faces Earth. You might say, Mrs. Franzek, that doesn't say and a half, but 0.5 does mean a half. You could say it 29.5 also. Next page. Moonlight is light from the sun. Sunlight, bounces. Let me flip that C. Bounces off the moon and shines on Earth. Let's read it together. Ready? Go. Moonlight is light from the sun. Sunlight bounces off the moon and shines on Earth. My turn. The part of the moon that shines changes as the moon orbits Earth. Let's read it together. Ready? Go. The part of the moon that shines changes as the moon orbits Earth. So here I look, and this is how our moon is changing. And last time you went outside, you probably saw a full moon. So now it's going to start getting smaller. On Earth, it looks like the moon is a different shape each night. These shapes are called phases. Phases? Wait a second, here's a chunk, PH, and that says F. Phases. Phases. Let's read that together. Ready? Go. On Earth, it looks like the moon is a different shape each night. These shapes are called phases. And look at this diagram here. I see new moon. That's when you can't see the moon. It's really there. It's just the sunlight's not hitting it. And then here it says, we got to follow the arrow, waxing, full moon, waning. So this diagram's telling me when it's getting bigger, it's called waxing, and it gets to the full moon, and then it starts getting smaller, and then it starts waning. So we should probably start seeing that moon start to wane in the sky. All right, my turn. First, a small curve of the moon appears. It waxes each night until it is a full moon. Read it with me. Ready? Go. First, a small curve of the moon appears. It waxes each night until it is a full moon. My turn. Then the moon wanes each night. It is called a new moon when it seems to, oh, that long word. Let me try to find some chunks or little words. I see I see the word pair. Disappear. All right, let's reread for fluency. Ready, set, go. Then the moon wanes each night. It is called a new moon when it seems to disappear. And we're going to stop there on page 12. But if you want, you can go on Epic into your mailbox and finish the story. Thanks for reading with me.